Nice and quiet in here. Oh, just a great car. And when you want it, woo, it gets it. Won't you take me to Bumper Town? Won't you take Hey guys, we're over here putting the BMW back together. It's pretty exciting. As you saw before, we got that bumper, we got those lights polished. We got the bumper sitting right here next to me. We got that bumper all back together. I'm trying to figure out a way to make that grill a little tighter in there. I thought it was missing something, but I looked at the old bumper and it's not missing anything. So let me spin you around here. I'll show you what I've done to the car. I've done a couple things off camera and just getting it back together. I'm trying to get it back together for the customer for the end of the week. So just kind of flying through it. But let me get you over here and spin around. Woo! Okay. Now that makes the car. It's coming together nicely. We'll go put the one on the back. All right, so we got the rear bumper back on. The rear bumper is original paint. I just polished the heck out of it. Really buffed it, cleaned it. The paint looking really good. There's a few scratches in it, but it's not bad. We got the molding back on. It has the backup sensors, which are terrible. And I painted these. Actually, I used like a dye. It's a plastic dye. It's made for trim. It is not a paint. It works way better. It always goes on smooth. It keeps the texture that's in those. You can see the other side here. Came out really nice. We got all that back together. We're starting to get the trunk back together. The paint needs like one more buff and it will be good. Doing the final stage of buffing. I didn't really want to show you guys all. I mean, it has to be buffed 6 times. I've probably spent, how many hours in here doing this? 10? Probably? Yeah, cameraman says yes, but that was more than that. Using the chemical guys, V38, this is the last step of this. Great stuff. And the polishing pad. So right now it looks great. You get this on there, it really fills in any kind of scratches or imperfections. I mean, we did wet sand it, so there are scratches in the paint. That's and just a couple dabs on there will do ya. And just dab it around. Just dab around. Just dab. Just a little dab to do. Little dab, little dab, little dab it. Just dab a dab a do. Ha! We'll cut that. I usually do a 50% overlap. Work a 2 foot by 2 foot area. Then I go back and forth. I go one way, one direction, and then back the other direction. That will get rid of any of the slow marks. Black stuff. Let's see what we got. Oh, look at that. That's pretty. Beautiful color. And that's final. Pretty stuff. Get it onto that spoiler. A little loop under there. How's that look, Kev? Mm-hmm. What do you guys think? Does it look pretty good? Ready, Kev?
Hi. Thanks for watching.
I don't know if I have enough. So what I want to do is tape this off and clean all this wax off of here. Re-dye those. That will help a lot and look a lot better. We got the tires. And look at this massive tire. Holy moly. Those are the rears in the middle there, and on each side is the fronts. But that's where we're at with that right now. We'll get going on the front grille, getting that to fit a little better, and getting the trim pieces in, and we'll do the trim in the grill. All right, lift this car up a little bit. Get the bumper on there. Probably good. That's kind of ugly, huh? Let's get this bumper on here. Woo! Bumper time! Bumper time! Won't you take me to Bumper Town? Won't you take me to Bumper Town? Let's flip this over. Go to Bumper Town. I need Kevin to come around. Kevin! Yeah. Come here. You gotta get this up. Then there's a little, remember it's like the back. You get the groove. Where's the fog light sensor? Yeah, the gray one to the gray one. Yeah, it kind of clicks. There you go. Clickety click. There's one. It goes right here. Yay! Are you ready? See where it goes in there? All right, with a little bit of a fight, we got this on. It's looking pretty good. We gotta buff it out a little bit. Got a few little scuffs from our greasy little mitts, but coming together. Get the trim on there. Fog lights are plugged in. Those look good. We'll get the kidney grills back in it. All right, let's keep putting it back together. All right, I got the trim pieces. I did re-dye them. We'll get those on and start coming together. Gonna put these bolts that hold the actual bumper under this bumper cover on. Woo! Get in there, we'll polish up this bumper. It's a few little scuffs. These guys in, plug these in. Gotta have your sensors so you know where you are, you know. You go beep, 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 beep. All right, I just had to file a little bit off that corner, which is on this one right here. If you look here, this one I'm probably gonna do the same too. That should do it. Oh yeah, we're in. There we go. In. That's better. That's all it took. Just need to go that way a little bit. There we go. Good. All right. Getting the taillights back in. I always love that after a paint job, get taillights in. It always kind of brings the car together. Something about it. Means you're coming to an end. Not an end, but you're finishing. It's finish line. Start putting lights back on and bumpers back on. It's very satisfying. It's like instant gratification. We'll tighten those up with a wrench. Something about that. Look at that. Wow, what a beauty. Doesn't that just look great? Ah, what a difference. It's almost done. It's exciting. Here we have the trim all re-dyed. It's pretty faded. And one of my favorite parts. Boom. Yes, this trim looks great. Can't have this car looking this good and having faded trim. Those are all re-dyed. All redone. Same with this side. Super happy. Let's get those lights in and kidney grills and the emblems. Yeah, now we know we're getting close. The emblems are going on. All right, let's put the kidneys in. Boom. Yes. Looking good. Other kidney. Boom. Look at her. Woo! Streamlined butterfly, baby. Oh, I love it. How about an emblem? We got one right here, boys and girls. Woo. Gonna go right there. The little holders, I don't know what you call them. The little retainer clip holder nub things in there. We got brand new ones. We got brand new BMW. I didn't buy the cheap ones on Amazon. You can get it for like $17. These are the real BMW. Oh, this is the one right here. They're like a one-shot deal. Oh, look at that. Yes. Beautiful. Now that makes the car. It's coming together nicely. We'll go put the one on the back. Look at that. BMW Group. Not kidding. That was nice. I'm gonna go put this on the back. That just makes it. Brand new symbol. The emblem, emblem symbol. This is the old one. How terrible would that have been? Look at that thing. Thing's a mess. There's no white left in it. This blue's missing. The M's gone. It's just a BW. Unless you look at it like that, and then it's a M8. M8. Huh, look at that. Anyways, that looks so much better. Whew, it's coming together. Oh, I'm so excited. Let's get some tires on this thing. here she is. All done. Oh, listen to that rumble. She's a beauty. All new paint on the hood, brand new bumper, new intake, new grille, fully restored. Sorry about the cars, I'm right next to the road here. Interior's been detailed. As you can see, it's in really good shape. Look at that suede headliner. Alcantara, whatever you want to call it. I think it's actually suede. It's running perfect. There we go, here's our gauge cluster. She's almost warm. I love that feature. Don't go past 5.5, she's not warm yet. Oh, we did. We're bad. All right. I'll get you set up out back, maybe you can hear this monster. Let's check out under the hood. Detailed that. Hopefully that's still clean. I did that a while ago. It's got the dining package, as you can see here, carbon fiber. It adds, I don't know, 20 horsepower. It's not an S2, as you can see. It would be on the radiator support. It runs really good. Oh, it's a great car. You almost forgot. Who wants to go for a ride? Let's just take it up the road a bit. I don't want to get it dirty or anything. There's no plates on it. I don't want to get in trouble. Hey, you know what? Police, though, that adds drama, right? I'm gonna take it up a side road up here and let you guys kind of go for a little ride in this thing. We do have we are friends with the cops, so they know I drive cars without plates sometimes. I'm not gonna get on it. Speed limit here is 30. I'm gonna get in trouble. Nice and quiet in here. Oh, just a great car. And when you want it, woo! It gets it. Oh, what a great car. I don't want to drive it too much. I might change my mind. Ready, guys? Yep, she's got some boogie. Yeah, that's fun. Oh, don't want to get a ticket. Speeding, unregistered, no seatbelt. Man, I'd be screwed. They might throw me in jail. Thanks for coming along for the little cruise. That was fun. Thought we'd get it with the halos on. Beautiful car, guys. Thanks for following me along with this one. It's been a long haul, but it was totally worth it. This car is a beauty. We'll be doing more like this. Wow, she's just pretty. Can't stop looking at it. How about you guys? Comment below, tell me what you think of this car. She came out great. I'm happy.